Tired of starting wellness routines that never stick? Overwhelmed by all the trends, supplements, and must-do rituals? You're not alone. But here's the truth, you don't need a 20-step morning routine to feel better. In today's final video, I'll help you build your own beginner-friendly natural wellness routine, one that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. Start small. Stay consistent. Feel amazing. Welcome to Day 7 of the Naturally Better in 7 Days Reset here on Awesome Natural, as your space for healing, harmony, and natural health. If you've made it this far, congratulations. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming wellness videos and challenges. Number 1. Morning grounding ritual, 5 to 10 minutes. How you start your day sets the tone. You don't need an hour, just 5 to 10 minutes of intentional time for yourself. Here are a few beginner-friendly options. Hydration, warm water with lemon or herbal tea. Stillness, deep breathing or 5 minutes of meditation. Sunlight plus stretch, step outside or open a window, stretch your body. Pick one or two. That's it. You'll feel more centered, alert, and balanced before you even check your phone. Number 2. Eat to nourish, not just fill. You don't need a perfect diet, just a supportive one. Start by building one balanced meal each day. Protein, like eggs, lentils, or clean protein powder. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Fiber, leafy greens, berries, whole grains. Make it colorful. Make it simple. A smoothie, power bowl, or eggs with sautéed veggies is a great start. Nourishing your body naturally boosts energy, mood, and focus. Number 3. Move daily, even if it's 7 minutes. Movement doesn't have to mean the gym. What your body really craves is circulation and connection. Try 7 to 10 minute walk. Stretch or yoga flow. Dance while making breakfast. The goal is to move energy. Even gentle movement supports digestion, reduces stress, and increases clarity. Start where you are, just move daily. Number 4. Create a wind-down routine for sleep. Your body needs signals to shift from go mode to rest mode. That's what a wind-down routine does. Here's a simple one to try. Herbal tea, like chamomile or lemon balm. Screen-free time 30 minutes before bed. Journaling, gratitude, or reading. Try going to bed around the same time every night. Your hormones love rhythm, and your sleep quality will improve with even small changes. Number 5. Anchor your day with one intentional practice. Your wellness routine doesn't have to be packed, it just has to be consistent. Choose one intentional practice to anchor your day. Morning hydration. Daily gratitude list. Evening stretch. Afternoon walk. Start with one. That becomes your non-negotiable. From there, you can add more. But even that one small habit can be life-changing when done consistently. Let's recap your beginner-friendly natural wellness routine. Morning grounding ritual, hydration, stillness, sunlight. One balanced meal a day. 7 minutes of daily movement. Gentle sleep wind down. One intentional anchor habit. That's it. You don't need perfection, you need consistency and grace. Wellness isn't about doing everything. It's about doing something, and letting that grow with you. If this series helped you feel more naturally well, let us know in the comments. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more healing content. And don't forget to grab your 14-day high-protein hormone balancing meal plan linked below. It includes easy-to-make meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack, as well as the recipes for each meal. Vegan and African alternatives, as well as grocery list. Thank you for watching, and check out other videos on our channel for more health and wellness tips.